In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wrinkle text effect in Canva. This effect makes your text look like it's printed on crumpled paper or wrinkled fabric, and it's a great way to add texture and depth to your designs. You can use it for posters, social media graphics, or any layout where you want your text to stand out with a more realistic, tactile feel. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Text tab. Go ahead and click on Text. This is where you'll find all your text tools and presets. Once that panel opens, click on Add a Text Box. A new text box will appear on your canvas, usually in the center. Click inside that text box and type in the word or phrase you want to apply the wrinkle effect to. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment just like you normally would in Canva. For this effect, bold or thicker fonts tend to work best because the texture shows up more clearly, but you can experiment with different styles later. With your main text ready, it's time to add the wrinkle texture. Look back to the left-hand side panel and click on Elements. This is where you can find graphics, shapes, and textures. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type keywords like wrinkle texture, crumpled paper, or fabric wrinkle. These phrases will bring up a variety of textured images and overlays you can use. Browse through the options and select a texture that has clear folds and creases. Click on the one you like, and it will be added to your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners and position it so that it fully covers your text. You want the texture to sit directly on top of the text layer, completely overlapping it. With the texture selected, look for the transparency option in the top toolbar. Click on Transparency and use the slider to reduce the opacity of the texture. Lowering the transparency lets your text show through while still keeping the wrinkle details visible. Adjust it until you're happy with the balance between readability and texture. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts